India's Omicron tally is steadily rising with fresh cases reported in Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Delhi. 7 new cases in Maharashtra, 9 new cases in Jaipur and 1 person in Delhi has been found positive with the variant, taking the total tally in the country to 21, with 17 of these cases being reported in just the last 24 hours. Let's go right across to Meher Pandey joining us with the very latest. Meher, there are 17 new cases, confirmed cases of Omicron that have been reported in the last 24 hours. What's the latest update that you can share with us? This is clearly a number that's only going to rise.
Yes, Rishika. So I'm currently at the LNJP hospital in Delhi, where the one case of Omicron that has been detected in India is being isolated and treated. He is a man in his 30s, recently returned from Tanzania. And he is being treated here. We are told that it's a mild case right now. But of course, the concern for the elderly and the immunocompromised is rising very fast. Just in the last 24 hours, 17 cases have been detected and many more are expected to come. The ministry does say that they expect more cases to be detected in Delhi and in Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, remember, these cases are coming from a wedding. Someone who had recently returned from South Africa had attended a wedding, and now there are 9 cases in a single family. Over 100 people had attended this wedding, but only 34 could be tested and their genomes could be sequenced. So the ministry expects more cases of the Omicron variant to turn up from that wedding. Now, there are, of course, clusters coming up in other parts of India. It's not clear so far whether Omicron is playing a role in that yet or not, but we know that the Omicron variant is more transmissible, and it's also has the potential to escape immunity. That could be natural immunity due to infection or also immunity due to vaccination. So in light of all of this, the technical body which reviews vaccination strategy is considering a booster dose for the immunocompromised over the age of 40. Now, that's something that's come up after INSACOG has recommended this in light of the Omicron variant.
All right. Well, those are important developments that you're reporting on, Meher. 17 new cases of Omicron in just 24 hours in India. And it's going to be extremely important to watch out for that technical advisory group meeting that is going to be deliberating on India's strategy of giving booster shots, especially to the immunocompromised, in the light of the INSACOG panel recommending boosters for all those above the age of 40 in India.